Hello YouTube, welcome to your 11th PHP tutorial. I am Saad Rahat. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use a function. So at first, you have to know what the heck is function. So function is a block of statement that would help us, that can help us to do some particular task like that. If you need to add two numbers like the purpose of addition, you can create a block like that, function of addition. So if you need something establishing the connection of the database, so you can create a function like that connection. So it can help us create some blocks sorry, for a particular task. So let's see how to build or how to write a function. uh, Before we start, you have to know other thing like there are two types of basic function. One is built-in function, another one is user defined function. So we will learn how to create user defined function. So let's start. Minimize it, and so let's write PHP. So function start with a keyword which name is function. So the next parameter is a name of function. So we named it like the test, and then parentheses and the curly bracket. So this is our function name, and this is our function body. We can write code in here like that, like at first I will use some echo. So echo like this is a test function. Okay, so let's see the output. Localhost slash tutorial. So you see that nothing appear in here. So why this is happening? So if you create a function like this one, you have to call the function. So how we call this function? This is pretty simple. Just write the function name and the parenthesis. So it makes call the function. Okay, so let's check the output again, reload the page. Okay, it works. This is a test function. Okay, let's do something like create a variable like a is equal to 10, b is equal to like that, b is equal to 20, and create another variable which is result and a plus b. Okay, so we can echo it in here, or okay, let's check let's try this one. Echo result. Okay, the answer should be 30. Okay, it's 30. So we can do another thing like we will return the value from here like that result, and if we store the return value from the data variable and echo the data variable, this will do the same thing. So let's check the output again. This is the same. Okay, so we can do another thing like we can put the variable outside the block of this function, test function. So now check the outcomes. Wow. So it returns two problem or two notices that are undefined variable b and undefined variable a, but for the blank value it cannot it, this block do not know the value of the a and b, so it return the 0. So why this is happening? Because we are declaring this variable outside the block of this function. If we just declare it something like that, global, or the uh, variable make global, then the value of a and b are not return a notice because the variable are global. So by using this keyword we can make the variable global. It the value of the a work in here inside the block of the function and also work the outside the block of the function. So let's check the output again. Okay, so we can do another thing like uh, first we will call a function that and then this function will call another function. So delete this thing, so delete this one. Okay, we can echo something like um, this is a test function, and then we create another function which name is demo and echo uh, demo is called by the test function. Okay, and we have to call the demo inside the test function or the inside block of this test function. So call this function. Now see what happened. Okay, we should use a beer. This look, I hope this look fine. So this is our first call which will appear in here. The test function is called in here and shows the message, and the second one which name is demo is called by the test function. So the next message will appear in the second. So I think you understand how to declare a function and do some basic stuff. In the next tutorial we will learn how to use call by value. We can call with the value and also the call by reference. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. uh, Thank you.